Good afternoon, everyone. We're here for the groundbreaking of the St. Joe Regional Sewer District. This is a project that's going to impact residents within the community, businesses, and future growth within this area.
So what we've been dealing with here, out here at the plant, there were things that were just decaying. Steel beams, support beams.
The tanks are made out of steel, not concrete, so they're starting to corrode. And once we had actually come over and looked at the treatment facility and started looking at the equipment, we realized that everything was pretty old and it was at the end of its useful life.
We started seeing these issues and toxicity of the waste. We had ways and processes of cleaning that and making it safe. We've done so many Band-Aids and zip ties.
And eventually there could be a catastrophic failure that would cause the plant to not operate. We decided they needed to really pursue a complete treatment plant rehabilitation project.
It's very important to the health of the town and the area around it to have this plant operate smoothly, efficiently, and correctly. Without this working, they're connected to it, it would turn into a situation where we would have to make calls and shut the school down and the factories down, and then you'd have to shut water off.
It would be super expensive, I mean, completely unaffordable.
That would be catastrophic, but that's how it could play out.
So that was the real impetus behind trying to make this thing go.
In 2024, DeKalb County earned $700,000 in a community development block grant to build a new wastewater treatment plant for the St. Joe Spencerville Regional Sewer District. Projects like this are truly transformational and critical to a community's continued growth.
I wanted to thank our board and employees.
Big thanks to Crosby Construction. They held their bid price despite all the increases in cost.
County commissioners for their ideas and advice. I also wanted to thank Commonwealth engineers and the teams involved behind them. Those firms helped us put all this together and try to keep the costs down and hold to the things that we were working for. Pushed through a lot of things, jumped a lot of hurdles, and when it's all finished, the legacy that we leave behind is for the future, for the good of our towns, the health of this plant, and the growth and expansion of the towns, the schools, the factories, and the things that the state may ask from us down the road.
They're going to get brand new equipment across the board, concrete tanks that are going to last for 50 to 75 years, so it's going to just make the whole thing like new.
To have this day-to-day is just great.